Welcome back to my channel CAD with Jordan. Today what I'm going to be showing you is quickly how to use the fillet tool and all the different options that come with it. And what I'm going to be doing it on is this little red bar. So obviously you want to have a body ready to go, because a fillet, if you don't know what it is already, is simply just adding a smoothed corner onto an edge, just like that. And it's pretty straightforward really, that's all it is to it. But the fillet tool has a few different nuances to it. So to use the tool, what you want to do is grab it off the top here, and then we can select the edges that we'd like to apply the fillet to. After that, we can then change the parameter box right here, and the higher the number, the bigger of a curve that you're going to be creating. But just make sure that the material that you're actually applying it to is able to take such fillets, because otherwise you end up with things like this, or it just purely won't work. So as I've shown you, there is a way of just selecting one line at a time. I'll just change that to 5 so you can easier. I'll change to 2 so you can see what's going on. So yes, you're able to select one line at a time, and then you can select multiple. And you could do this with the entire block if that's what you wanted. Or alternatively, there are different selection methods available. The top of this selection methods right here is the line one, and this just allows you to select any single line. Or maybe you just want to do this entire top face here, and just be careful when you're selecting, because you'll see I'm hovering over the same line here, and sometimes I'm getting this face on the back here, and sometimes I'll get the face on the top, dependent on what side my mouse is actually pointing on. So I'm going to select the underside of the line, and that will select all the top lines, and there we go. We've created a fillet that goes all the way around. Now that isn't the only type of fillet we can create. We can actually double click into our fillet on the feature tree right here, and then we can make amends to it if that's what you want. But the other type of fillet we have available is the inverted fillet, and that is exactly what it says on the tin. Rather than doing a 2mm fillet on the outside, we're going to have a 2mm radius fillet cutting into it. Now it's typical that you'd go for a smooth fillet like so, and I know if you work in the automotive industry you have G2 curves as well, and this is a bit of a slightly different curve. Honestly, I'm not too sure what the difference is between a G2 fillet and a standard tangent fillet is, but yes, the option is there nonetheless. So yeah, that basically covers everything that you need to know about fillets. If you want to know more about Autodesk Inventor and you want to learn about it all in one place, then check out the link in the description. There is a course available, and there's usually discounts running on the site. Give it a go, trust me. Thank you very much for watching.